Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Lizzie, and how you all doing? I do hope you had a wonderful week. If you're just tuning into my channel for the first time, please subscribe, and for returning subscribers, I really love you all so much. So I'll be showing you how to tie this trending gele today, and it's not difficult at all. All you have to do is to follow these simple steps I'll be showing you all today. So the first thing I did was to follow the edges of my gele, and then I made about 6 pleats before placing this gele on my head. The next step I took was to trace this gele down towards my neck area so that it really looks nice and comes out beautiful. The rule for this particular gele today is 60-40. One hand of your gele has to really be longer than the other hand of your gele. So when trying to bring your gele towards the front, the longer hand has to stay under while the shorter hand stays on top. So I'm just going to twist one hand of my gele and place it under my arm so that it doesn't serve as an obstacle in any way. And if your earring is coming in your way, you can just remove it while you continue. So I'm just going to take the 60 part of my gele right now and make some round beautiful plaits. Guys, if you haven't watched any of my videos at all, please do that, because it's really going to help you to know how to tie any trending gele that you want to tie at all, be it on your client or on yourself. So the gele I'm using today is a hard gele, that is why it's like this. So you really have to take your time in making this pleat so that it comes out really beautiful and nice. Right now, I'm just going to bring my hand towards the middle and I'm going to start making my fan. You have to take your time in making your fan so that your gele really comes out nice and beautiful. All I'm going to do right now is to make sure I use one of my hands in picking my gele while the other hand holds the gele firm so that it doesn't unravel. I'm going to use one hand in picking my gele, which is my pleat. I'm going to use one hand in picking my pleats, and the other hand holds the pleat so that it stays in place and it doesn't unravel. So you really have to take your time in doing this so that your gele really comes out nice and beautiful. This particular gele is one of the most trending geles right now, and if you want to stand out for any occasion at all, this is just the bomb. This is just the gele you would want to go for. So right now I'm done with making my fans. I'm just going to take the end of my gele and twist it towards the back and then pin it. So when you're done, pick up your 40 parts of your gele and then make round pleats with them. It's just the same process. Pick it up and make round pleats with them. Just make sure they are neatly done and nicely laid. You really want to take your time in doing this pleats, in making your pleats so that it comes out really nice and well made. You really want to take your time in doing this. So right now I'm done with my pleats. I'm just going to pin the pleats towards the back. I'm going to pin the end towards the back so that it stays put while I'm trying to make my rows in front. So I'm going to make sure that I use the end of my gele in making this rose. I'm going to make sure that it's well done and neatly done, and then I'm going to pin the ends of the rose and then pin it down on my gele. So when you're done doing this, just take your 60 parts of your gele, take it towards the back and pin it. I love you all so much, and I do hope that you really enjoyed this video. If this video has helped you in any way, guys, don't be shy to thumbs me up and to subscribe and share. And I can't wait to see you all in my next video, which is going to be next week. If you haven't watched any of my previous videos, guys, please do that. And this is what the back of the gele should look like. And guys, please turn on your notification button so that each time I post, you will definitely be the first to know. I love you all so much. See you all in my next video. Bye bye.